Google Gemini is an exciting new tool that's making waves in the world of AI. In just 7 minutes, I'll walk you through the essentials you need to know to get started. Let's dive right in. First off, what is Google Gemini? It's Google's latest AI model designed to enhance productivity and creativity. Think of it as a powerful assistant that can help you with everything from generating text to creating images and even analyzing data. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your digital tasks. To begin using Google Gemini, you'll want to access it through the Google Cloud platform. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward. Once you're in, you'll find a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. The dashboard is clean, and all the tools you need are right at your fingertips. Now, let's explore some of the core features. One of the standout capabilities of Gemini is its natural language processing. You can input prompts in plain English, and it will generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. For instance, if you're working on a blog post, you can ask Gemini for topic ideas or even request a full draft. It's like brainstorming with a super smart friend who never runs out of ideas. Another fantastic feature is the image generation tool. You can describe what you want to see, and Gemini will create stunning visuals based on your description. This is perfect for marketers, content creators, or anyone needing custom graphics without the hassle of traditional design software. Just imagine typing a serene landscape at sunset and getting a beautiful image in seconds. Let's not forget about data analysis. Gemini can help you sift through large datasets and extract meaningful insights. You can upload your data, and with a few commands, Gemini will summarize trends, highlight anomalies, and even suggest actionable steps. This is a game changer for businesses looking to make data-driven decisions without spending hours on manual analysis. Collaboration is also a breeze with Google Gemini. You can share your projects with team members, allowing them to contribute in real time. This feature is especially useful for remote teams, ensuring everyone stays on the same page and can provide input instantly. As you start using Gemini, remember that it learns from your interactions. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and style. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and tasks. It's all about finding the best ways to leverage this powerful tool for your needs. Before wrapping up, let's touch on the importance of ethical use. With great power comes great responsibility. Always ensure that you're using Gemini in a way that respects privacy and copyright laws. It's essential to be mindful of the content you generate and share, especially in professional settings. In summary, Google Gemini is a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. From generating text and images to analyzing data and facilitating collaboration, it's designed to make your life easier. So, dive in, explore its features, and see how it can transform the way you work. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish in just a few clicks.